All right. So the next in our agenda is to show you the updated diagrams that will help you figure out how to connect the different gadgets to come up with your home YouTube karaoke system. Right, so I'm gonna share my screen over here. I created a presentation to support this one. I won't go over each of them one by one because that's what the old videos were for, right? The purpose of this presentation is to help you with an updated diagram that's hopefully clearer than the ones I presented in my old videos. Now, right. So the first one is this one, right? So I published this video how to set up a home karaoke system using free YouTube karaoke music and HDMI ARC connections. So I have the link here of my old video, right? And the diagram on the left is an updated illustration of how I created this home karaoke setup using HDMI slash ARC connections, right? So again, I won't go over that in this webinar, in this live stream, but you can watch this offline and hopefully it will help you figure out, if you haven't already, figure out your home karaoke system. The way this works is if you watch this video that I published before to the right here, um, the illustration on the left will help you kind of guide your setup, right, to come up with a working system. So this is the first video. The next one is this one, right? One of my older videos. Again, this is the video that's already published on YouTube, and then this is the updated diagram over here, and you can use the updated diagram to hopefully understand how to connect these systems better. The next slide is this one, YouTube karaoke setup using Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick, right? Again, a very nicely done, diagram, very clear, and with all the labels and the colors and all that. So I hope that will help you with your setup. Next one over here, it's the same. It's a different video, right? It's an upgraded setup using TV as your YouTube player. So like the previous one, you use the Chromecast or Fire Stick. This one, you just use your TV as your YouTube player, and you can use your soundbar if you have one as well, or your existing speakers, right? Very simple setup, very nice diagram over here that will help you as a reference when you're following this video that I published already on YouTube a few years back. And then this one, YouTube karaoke setup using TV as your YouTube player and soundbar as speaker, but this is via auxiliary mixer, right? You will need an auxiliary line or connection if your karaoke mixer only supports auxiliary connections. Similar diagram, but again, slightly different based on the features of your mixer, okay? Again, you watch, the way to do this is you watch the video if you haven't already, and use the updated diagram to even help you further follow the instructions in my video. The next one is another video that I have published before. It's this is actually a portable YouTube karaoke system using YouTube as music, right? This is something that you can carry around, go to parties, birthday parties. When you get invited, you can show off your karaoke system, which is very cool. You can use any song online on YouTube to sing karaoke music, right? So it's a very cool system to have. So those are the different ways to set up a YouTube home karaoke system, right? And those are the updated diagrams, and I hope they help you when you try to do this offline. But then again, if still doesn't help you, I'm gonna be doing this live stream throughout the summer every weekend. So I hope you can join us at some point and maybe dial in and call in to our Google Meet line, and I can talk to you directly, and see if we can resolve your challenges real time. All right.